Hey guys, Hayley Hughes here, founder of the Institute of Makeup. Today what I thought I might do is share a couple of my absolute favorite products that I have in my kit. So I'm going to continue to do these videos moving forward, so I'm just going to share one product per video. And today I wanted to start off with one of my absolute favorite foundations, and it's the by Terry Shear Expert. So this is the packaging that it comes in, and there's so many reasons why I love this foundation. For those that are looking for a medium to full coverage, this is a really great option. But I just really love it because it's one of those foundations that gives you a really decent amount of coverage without looking too full on. So it's not too heavy, it doesn't go cakey. I'm actually wearing it today, so you can see it's just a really nice coverage, but still gives that really beautiful glow to the skin. So another thing about the by Terry range as well is you can get one that has SPF in it as well. The one that I have today doesn't have the SPF in it because I actually use a 50+ sunscreen on myself every single morning anyway, so it wasn't a necessity. But for those that are looking for something that has the SPF protection in with their foundation, then you can get it with the by Terry range as well. So I'm just going to open it up for you guys. So it is a liquid foundation. I'll put a bit on the back of my hand. You can see really smooth consistency, just goes on like silk. And you can just see it's just a really beautiful texture. So the coverage is absolutely gorgeous. It feels really lightweight to wear, and it just seems to last a long time throughout the day as well. So for my absolute must-have foundation, I definitely recommend trying to go out and get yourself a sample, or go and get your hands on one of these by Terry foundations. Shear Expert, it's absolutely beautiful. I hope you guys love it as well. Bye for now.